Hi guys! Today we are going to create a simple navigation bar using only HTML and CSS. First, I am creating the HTML structure. I am adding class names to the elements so that I can easily style them later with CSS. Now I am creating a div that will contain all the navigation bar elements. Next, I am creating a logo section. For the logo, I will write CodeDose. Now I'm creating a list for the navigation menu. Inside the list, I'm adding three options: Home, About, and Contact. After that, I am adding two buttons: Sign In and Sign Up. Our HTML structure is now complete. Move to the CSS part. First, I'm removing the default text decoration from all links. Next, I'm giving the navigation bar a crimson background color. I also want all the text to use the Calibri font. Then I'm adding some padding on the left and right sides. Now I'm aligning all the items properly. Since the navigation bar has two main sections, the logo and the menu, we can place them on opposite sides. Next, I am styling the logo. I am increasing its font size and changing its color to white. Now, let's style the menu items. First, I'm removing the bullet points from the list. Then, I'm displaying all list items in a single line. After that, I'm styling the home, about, and contact links. I'm changing their color to white, increasing the font size, and making them bold. I am also adding some margin to create space between them. Finally, let's style the buttons. I want black buttons with rounded corners. I'm increasing their size to make them look better. Then I'm changing the text color to white and making the text bold. And that's it. Our navigation bar is now ready using only HTML and CSS. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.